Hello, welcome to Kurdish Lessons. Let me remind you a rule. If you have an indirect object in your sentence, like a place to go, this indirect object should be in oblique form. And you never use any preposition with it. So don't use l with the indirect object. So never say azdichim lemale. Say azdichim male. Never say azhatim la office. Say as hatim office, I came to the office, okay? But if it's a person you go next to, you will say as the chum jam bavekhwa, I'm going to my father, or as the chum ba bavekhwa. We have two prepositions, jam or ba, to use with person when we use them as an indirect object. And there is a song. It says Sherinaman, my sweetie, where a barman come to me, barman to me, where a